How are we doing, my friends? Your Florida history hunter. Look at all the honeybees. They're everywhere. Look at these girls. I don't know what this tree is, but they are drawn to it. Look at that girl. Her saddlebags are packed full of pollen. Look, the tree's broken over and fallen, and it's still getting ready to bloom. I don't know if you can hear the buzz. There's literally hundreds and hundreds of bees and solitary wasps. There goes a love bug.